Giovanni and I are off to one of our very favorite places in the Riviera Maya today, Isla Mujeres. It's a beautiful little island just 30 minutes off of Cancun. You have to get there via ferry. We love to take the Xcaret ferry because you get an added bonus at the end of the day, which you'll have to stay around to see that. Gracias.
Gracias. Good.
Oh, yeah.
Pasea del salón principal. 2. Toward the front, 2 living sections.
Gracias, buen día.
Adios, buen día, gracias. We're in Isla Mujeres, but
Yeah.
before we can do anything at all, we're going to have to go find some breakfast for our hungry man over here.
Today you also are hungry.
Yeah, I'm
so-
also hungry. It's about 9:30 a.m., so fair enough, it's breakfast time.
Oh, they took the last table.
Ooh, okay. So we didn't even wait 15 minutes, that was like 5 minutes.
Yeah, probably even less.
Oh, yes. I decided to go very decadent today. I got
Gracias.
gracias. I got a mocha frappe. Looks amazing.
Nice, eh?
Something that Giovanni and I have been doing literally, I think, since the first date that we went on, maybe not the first one, but since the beginning of our relationship, is we always ordered 2 things.
Oh, super.
Muchas gracias.
Yeah.
We ordered something that we both want and then we split it in half. So we got a savory waffle and
French toast.
French toast.
That's nice.
All looked
That's
really
nice.
good.
Okay.
Muchas gracias.
Thank you.
Ooh. Wow, these eggs are literally perfectly cooked, Sam. Breakfast was so good, and something that we really just have to highlight is the service here was
Wow.
amazing. Like, everyone was so friendly and so attentive, which is something we struggle with a lot in this region. I feel like oftentimes the wait staff are like, ugh.
Yeah.
But here, not at all. They were so
They were
friendly.
very good. They were very friendly.
Shout out to Juan Pablo and Elaine.
Alain.
Alain.
in Spanish.
Wow, it's just an hour later and you can already see how much busier the island is getting. We're on Playa Centro right now, which is the very first beach after the ferry port. It's a beautiful beach. It's massive. There's so much space. But the thing is, when tourists get off the ferry, they just stop right here and they assume that this is the beach, the
Yeah.
best beach. But if you were to walk just a little bit down the coast, which is what we're about to do now,
Yeah.
you're going to find something even better.
Teenage Ninja Turtle.
So we had to walk through this little souvenir spot here and then down here to Andador Beach. This is how you get here. How much for the beach chairs?
700 for 2.
Does
until
that
7.
include consumption or?
No, I don't think so. I
Okay.
didn't ask, but I don't think so. Eh?
I'm sure he would have mentioned it.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is the side of Isla Mujeres that you want to be on. As you guys can see, the beach is beautiful. We just need to go find a free spot to set up our little tents. So we're just taking a moment to shout out our own product, one we put so much love and effort into, the 9-day Riviera Maya itinerary and map. From personal experience, we know how overwhelming it can be to plan a trip to the Riviera Maya, especially if you're looking at exploring more than just Cancun. That's why we've made it absolutely effortless with our itinerary and map.
We have done all of the research so you don't have to, curating the ultimate itinerary to help you explore the region without the stress of planning and second guessing. What you will get is a step-by-step itinerary where every day is thoughtfully planned to maximize your experience, from must-see sites to hidden gems and delicious cuisine. Time in each of the most beautiful spots in the region, including Isla Mujeres, Cancun, Playa del Carmen, and more.
A coordinated Google map where each of the locations on the itinerary links directly to the Google map, which means no more getting lost or wasting time. And essential travel tips, which will help you avoid common pitfalls and give you all the insight needed to ensure that your trip is smooth and stress-free.
On top of all of that, the map and itinerary are both accessible offline, making it usable even without Wi-Fi. With this itinerary, you will spend less time planning and more time soaking up the beauty, the beaches, and the sights of the Riviera Maya.
You can get the 9-day Riviera Maya itinerary and map on our website, fulltheroadtravels.com. And in addition, when you purchase any of our digital products, you're directly supporting the channel and helping us to share even more of Mexico with you. The main reason that we wanted to come to Isla today is that we want to spend the whole day on the beach. Of all the beaches in this region of Mexico, Isla has the best in our opinion.
Yeah, hands down, it's one of the more blue, clear, calm.
Yes.
No seaweed most of the
year.
time.
Yeah.
So,
very beautiful.
yeah.
Okay.
Vámonos. Bye. Actually, when we're coming to Isla Mujeres, we didn't know that the carnival was going to take place these days. So we arrived to Isla Mujeres and we were told that the carnival actually started yesterday. And today we are actually see if we can catch some of the parade that is going to be happening on the main road. We will try to see to get earlier and get a little bit of a good spot so we can show you guys. Let's go and get some drinks or snacks or something. Well, our supplies. Oh shoot.
How was the exhibition?
It was good. It was not that far.
Yeah, that was quick.
Yeah. Cervecita each.
I don't think cervecita.
Simon cervecita is gonna be for me then.
Thank you, my love. You can't beat the water clarity here in Isla.
Yeah.
You can see right through. You can see every single thing under the water.
What does Isla Mujeres mean?
It means the island of women.
Why?
I'm not sure. The goddess is Ichel, got something to do with that?
The Mayan culture, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. The god of fertility. You know, the Mayan culture had a lot of gods, so.
Yes.
Feels like a cloud of paradise.
Yeah. You can literally go all the way out there where the boats are and the water is still only coming up to your thighs. It's like a natural swimming pool almost, and there's no current, there's no waves. It's so family friendly. So we just spent like a good, I don't know, 3 hours at the very least here on the beach, and as you guys can see, let me just show you. It is absolutely packed, but it's actually a massive beach, so you don't have people right on top of each other. This is really one of the most beautiful beaches in the side of Mexico.
We were talking about the carnival parade and
Woo,
seems like it's happening here.
Yay! Giovanni and I, at the end of 2024, bought our very first Christmas tree that we've owned as adults and as a couple. So we decided to not waste our money on like generic plastic, whatever.
Christmas ornaments.
Exactly. We said every single destination we travel to this year and going forward, we're going to buy a nice Christmas ornament. So we don't typically buy souvenirs, but we're just roaming through like the main tourist avenue right now, on the lookout for a nice Christmas ornament to add to our tree at the end of the year. Yeah, we're looking for something like this.
I like this one, the color.
Yes, I like this one as well. Yeah, let's go with this one. It's a nice one. Oh, that's nice. Okay, Isla Mujeres. Oh wow, it's huge in here.
Yeah.
I've got so many things here, and you can see everything is handmade and hand painted. Our first ever Christmas ornament. it looks like it's starting.
After Cozumel, I think the Carnival in Merida will be the biggest from the Yucatan Peninsula.
Yeah. Honestly, we're such old people. Whenever it's being hosted in Playa, we always avoid it because we don't want to be stuck in traffic. We don't want to be in the crowds. But I mean, we're here today anyways.
I think spontaneity.
Being spontaneous.
Yeah, I mean this thing we didn't plan and we happened to catch it. So.
Yeah, worked out well.
Ami,
Hola.
¿cuántos están? ¿A cuántos están?
25? Okay, sí. Este porfa. Sí, porfa. Siempre con salsa. Muchas gracias. So we got some chicharrones con salsa Valentina, which is typically it should be made out of pork fat, but this is not. This is made out of flour, and then they put a spicy, peppery sauce on top called salsa Valentina. So delicious.
What is your experience so far to the Carnival in Mexico?
It's very cute. It's very colorful, very vibrant. It's not what we were used to seeing when we lived in the Cayman Islands. The Cayman Islands, the procession like moves at a steady pace, but it's way more sexual. This is just all about the music, all about dancing, all about getting dressed,
All about
dancing. Yeah.
We decided to just finish and end our day the parade.
Yes, I mean we could stay here all night long, but we've seen enough. It was fun, but I think we're ready to go home. It's been a long day in the sun.
Yeah, we're gonna try to catch the next ferry available because they go on the hour.
An hour, yes, yes.
And then we are off.
We're on our way.
We are on a rush to get seats. Good
Yes,
seating.
we want good seating.
Yeah, vámonos.
Tu brillo en mi querer, contigo amanecer, da forma a mi canción.
Okay, and we're officially back in Cancun, baby. So remember at the beginning of the day we said we specifically always go with the Xcaret ferry because what they actually do is they include free admission to the scenic tower, which is so beautiful. It offers such a beautiful view of Cancun.
Yeah, I believe it's like 20 meters that you go high up.
Yeah.
We have come also in the morning. No, like
earlier in the day before the
sun.
sun sets. The sun is setting right now, but yeah, we're going to get a very nice view of Cancun. Nice, eh?
Si te vas, ya no podrán beber mis manos de tu piel.
Okay, so there you have it. That was one very fun, very chilled, somewhat unexpected day in Isla Mujeres. If you are traveling here and you're looking for more information about Isla Mujeres, you can either head to fortheroadtravels.com and read some of our blog posts, or you can watch our older video. I think we did it about 2 years ago, but we did a lot more. We went the whole way around the island. And if you're traveling to the Riviera Maya, don't forget to pick up your 9-day Riviera Maya itinerary and map. You can find all of that in the description below.
If you enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed to our channel, and that being said, we will see you in the next episode.
Hasta
Hasta
luego.
luego.